Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, this one, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can easily recognize these two lines. This is the line at the top and this line. And you can see that I have also added two more lines here. So I'll be explaining them one by one. Don't get confused. Let's get started. So if you look at the overall chart of GBP JPY here, then one thing is very much certain, that this market is under the influence of sellers, or in simple words, the market seems to be in downtrend. The number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. But one thing that we also need to observe here is that whenever there was a sharp fall in the market, there was also a sharp recovery. Generally, when we see a severe selling on a market, we do not see these kind of recoveries. But here in the chart of GBPJPY, every time there was a sharp fall in the market, we immediately saw some price recovery, and we are again seeing the same thing here. The history is repeating. The price is recovering again sharply. Okay. So it clearly signifies that though market seems to be in downtrend, but yes, there is a but here, and the but is that there are some hidden buyers present in the market as well, who are not allowing the market to fall. And as a result, we can also look for some buying opportunities here. If you have watched my previous video around 2 days ago, then hopefully you have made good profit, because I was really happy and also overwhelmed when you all texted me personally that you all have made good profit from my analysis. Anyways, let's find out where we can make money today. So overall market is in downtrend, clear, but there are some hidden buyers in the market also, who are not allowing the market to go for a free fall, not allowing the market to sell. Okay, clear. So as we have a downtrend market, therefore we also must have a resistance as well. And in this market, we have a resistance in the form of this trend line. And you can see that whenever price was trying to go up, it was unable to do so, and it was facing severe selling pressure from above. You can see that whenever price tried to go up, this trend line acted as a strong resistance and never allowed the market to go up. Therefore, if you do not have this trend line on your charting platform, then my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this line, this line, so that you do not miss the opportunity in the future also. I am not saying that market will be going up today to the blah blah blah, okay, but in the future also, whenever market will be hitting the trend line and reverse, definitely you will get a good option or good opportunity to short the market. Therefore this trend line is must in your charting platform, and this trend line deserves a spot in your charting platform. Clear? Because this is a strong resistance. Okay, so apart from this resistance, we also have a support also in the market. We have a resistance, then definitely we also need to have a support, and the support is this 149.50. 149.50 may not be seem that important in this chart right now, but to understand the importance of 149.50, we must go to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of GBP JPY, and you can see that in the weekly chart we have a strong support. You can see that previously also, whenever market was facing selling pressure from above, this was the level 149.50 was the level that acted as a support, that provided the required support to the market, and therefore this is the most important crucial level on the chart of GBP JPY right now. And definitely you also need to have this line on your charting platform. So we have a strong resistance right now, and we have a strong support here. So two levels are clear. Okay. But right now you can see that the current market price is far away from this trend line and this support. Therefore we should not be missing the opportunities on the market as well, isn't it? So see, yes, in the future, in the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the coming week, whenever you'll get opportunity to short term market here, definitely you can short term market at the resistance. You can definitely go for a buy at the support. But right now we have a different opportunity. Okay. And to understand the opportunity, we need to switch to the 1 hour chart. After switching to the 1 hour chart, you can see that right now market is trading in an upward channel here. Do you remember I was talking about the hidden buyers in the market? Yes, hidden buyers are there in this GBP JPY chart. There are buyers present in the market, and because of which we always see sharp recovery in the market as well. And you can see that we can easily draw trend lines here. So you can also draw lines here. You can see that whenever price was going up, this line above is was or is acting as a resistance, and the line below is acting as a support, and right now it is in the middle. So listen to me carefully now. Okay, so draw these two lines in the 1 hour chart and just wait for the perfect opportunity. That's it. Okay. Wait for the market to come down, and when market will hit the trend line, just observe the price and just see how the price reacts. If you see price moving up from here, then definitely you can click on the buy button, because you can easily see that market is respecting the trend line as a support. On the other hand, if it goes up and reverses from this trend line, if you see a good selling pressure at the resistance at this trend line, you can also short the market. So this is the only trading opportunity available on the GBP JPY chart right now. And my dear friends, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market on regular basis with you. If you are interested, you can just go through all the information. I have explained it clearly. Okay. Just go to the Pro Trader tab here and just go to the information. If you're interested, just click on the subscribe button here. Okay. And if you're interested in learning from me, if you want to learn to trade like a good trader like me, then you can just visit the vilashazarika.com, and under the workshop section you will find all the necessary details. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye. And do not forget to follow proper risk management. Whenever you're buying or selling, doesn't matter. Just follow proper risk management. Means do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Never forget, the most important duty of a trader is to protect his capital. Earning profit comes later. If a trader fails to protect his capital, then he can never imagine about making money. So always protect capital, and you can only protect your capital if you follow proper risk management. Okay, so do not compromise with the trading discipline. Bye bye.